In this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot one of several problems that you might run into with MIG welding beads that don't look so good. And this first one, I call it the Timid weld, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Not that you should do it, but I'm going to show you the conditions that lead up to a Timid weld. Now, come over here and take a look at this, at the welder settings. So this is wire feed speed right in the middle of the green zone, and voltage right in the middle of the green zone. One of the causes of a Timid weld is when the voltage is too low. So there's not enough penetration power, not enough heat to melt the metal the way it should, and you get a thin and spindly bead. So I'm going to knock it way down here, say to, I don't know, 16 volts, we'll say. And we'll give that a try, and we'll see how timid it looks when I'm actually laying it down too. So if you've got a weld that looks like this, there's probably two things you need to do. One is to increase the voltage. There's clearly not enough heat here for proper penetration. The weld bead is fastened to the parent metal, but it would not be strong in any way. It has not penetrated deeply, and it's not very wide. So increasing the voltage, definitely something to do. And then also slowing down and moving the wire in a kind of crescent moon shape to get a wider bead and more time for the heat to penetrate the parent metal. So that's the solution to something ugly like this, the Timid weld.